Manchester United turned themselves to landlord for Arsenal house.
This man!
They beat Arsenal like thief wasting Maggi by 1 p.m. for Ajegule. Jesus no do well, them say make Ateta bring Gyökeres as if na Maggi then they had to sue.
Continue.
Gyökeres come enter, he come they play like dwarf where they live among giants.
You be mumu.
I tried to look for Bukayo Saka, but na for sure pocket I later find am. Scoring 3 goals against Arsenal no be for everybody. Carrick don show say he be master, make Ateta come learn work. He reach Arsenal turn to lead Manchester City with 7 points. Arsenal don't bottle am like bottling company. Oh. What's your take about my take? Drop am for comment section. 99 days now for the team, but 1 day now for the owner of the house. Bayern Munich they beat every team as if na them carry them company don't suffocate for their first defeat for the league this season.
This man!
People pele the blame for company head and some saying wardrobe head now he no allow reason where to know who is supposed to start for the game. Augsburg leave the final goal late for Bayern face. Bayern gonna look like Abino wey been steam it for pot.
You be mumu.
Company wey in head fit contain all the problems for the world go find way go take ensure say Bayern win their next game, or if not, Bayern fit pack company with company. What be your take about that Bayern match? You feel say na company be said the match or na Bayern player said the match? Drop your take for comment section. Thank you. Just like the son of man go come like thief in the night, now so Manchester City come snatch 3 points from Wolves today. Oh.
This man!
Manchester City players wey been they play like say they carry shit for here don't pour their anger on innocent Wolves. Umama Mush wey dey high opportunity like Judas Iscariot, na him open goal scoring opportunity for Manchester City. Oh, Semenyo double lamp with another clinical finish. Haaland wey be saying boot the avian like Timberland start the game from the bench as in game in recent time be like person wey dey learn ball from trenches. City don't enter second while Wolves still dey last for their report card. Oh, what go happen next? What's your take about my take? Drop am in the comment section. Bottom place West Ham don't leak night place Sunderland like bottom pot jollof beans.
Continue.
West Ham wey been dey play like Akatankwa boys for Lagos don wallop Sunderland wey play like Abino wey they see for sun. Xhaka wey be captain cook of Sunderland wey dey stand dey surprised on how his team don dey cooked. This game just be like say West Ham dey inform Sunderland say make them no forget say na from relegation they been dey come from. Sunderland tried to reply after conceding 3, but na just 1 goal they managed collect as traffic owed their delivery men from getting other goals. The game end up 3-1. 3-1 na West Ham win. What do you think? Sure you feel say West Ham fit escape relegation with this win where they get against Sunderland? You feel say this one go boost their momentum? Drop your comments. Thank you. Pizza matter against Inter Milan like Pikin wey say mama no go rest oh. Inter Milan served 6 hot pizza to Pizza yesterday. Na Pizza go touch Lion tail by scoring 2 first oh, but them no see him survive because they later become prey for the match oh.
Continue.
Inter Milan for the match been go activate the kind verse when Moses activate on Pharaoh and Egyptians as 6 different players cause for them oh. Pizza don't finally sink like children of Israel for Red Sea after some Botopo wrestling from Inter Milan where they been seat first now.
No.
Almost football streets don't hot again no. One kind to read on land where we scatter Manchester United fans head like generator for rain season. The gist be say Cole Palmer, Chelsea golden boy, fit pack him back, come out Stamford Bridge, join Old Trafford. As he be, na rumor he be for now, but na the kind rumor will make Manchester United fans need they fit sleep for night, na him be this. So make we not forget, Cole Palmer na Manchester United fan from childhood, pictures day, interviews day. As small begin, na Old Trafford you dream of, not Stamford Bridge. So you go ask yourself if definitely knock on the door. Sure, you go ignore Manchester United. Since Chelsea sign am, Cole Palmer don turn main character. He dey score, he dey assist, compose your day like saying a veteran. Cough in front of goal, calm like monk for pressure moment. This guy na player wey be say all Chelsea fans go miss if he come out oh. Now imagine say this kind player wear red jersey for Old Trafford. United fans don dey already design jersey for their mind. Wetin be your take? Sure you feel say Cole Palmer go comot Chelsea, join Manchester United? Or you feel say this na just transfer rumor where they always deliver go and occur? Thank you.
You think say they wise?
The Father Abraham of football don't return home at last oh. Tam Abraham don land park. This na confirmed blast. This news no be from under bridge for Oshodi side. Na correct journalist matter. No be my friend talk and vibe. This transfer no be show to wey go spoil show. Na 21 million pounds they drop like say na pure water flow from Besiktas for Turkey. They release am with receipt.
Continue.
Aston Villa say enter ball striker, we need your feet.
Will you keep quiet?
Father Abraham, we be Tammy Abraham, no be small boy, na top problem he be for defender. If he turn back for ball, center back go remember.
Funke!
Villa fans don't wake up, shout hallelujah loud because go drought, don't see great rain cloud. Football don't turn charity match for Pep Guardiola because as he stand now, till Pep Guardiola again, everybody just dey line up like KTMQ to collect 3 points from his hand. Before, if Chief won face Pep Guardiola, coach go dey overthink, defenders go dey shake, fans go dey pray, everybody go dey panic. But now na different gist entirely. Teams dey look Pep eyeball to eyeball, say Oga, abeg hold your head first. On Tuesday, Bodo Manchester City dey collect 3 points for their hand. Manchester United sef wey be no good under their new manager now, Carrick, he don collect 3 points for Pep Guardiola hand on Saturday. Now as calendar dey turn, Wolves they come next. You fit hear them for the room. They say, boys, no fear. Pep they vulnerable. 3 points. They there for gap. Pep Guardiola will be the master tactician now. He don't turn to technician now. Tactician don't turn to technician. You sabi wetin they do again. No. What did you take? You fit say, well, she collect all 3 points for Manchester City and as others don't collect in the past 2 weeks. But we see as they go now. Drop your take in the comment section. Thank you.
Shut up! You don't know that I will know it. This I don't need to brag about it.
It don't happen, It don't shell, This matter don't pass soft landing. This one a hard cruise.
Man!
Person wey start him career with boots and dream don't reach level where country the reason say Oga no just go play boy again. Make we give you share of land for here.
Continue.
Saudi Arabia don't talk say make Ronaldo no just come out because global interest fit collapse.
Will you keep quiet?
Collapse ke na free fall be that oh. This guy no be footballer again.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
Cristiano Ronaldo na economic backbone.
Jesus is Lord.
If CR7 sneeze, markets go cough.
You be Mumu.
15% equity for Al Nassr.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Ha! Even if you dey do blood money, ritual money plus shrine subscription, you no fit buy this kind of relevance. So na grace plus hard work plus 6-pack plus legacy. Na im dey give this kind of thing.
Funke!
Cristiano Ronaldo don't turn from winger, striker, legend, brand. Now he don't deal as if he go own club very soon. No. If Cristiano Ronaldo waka comot Saudi today, tourism go drop, Jersey go dry, Instagram go quiet. Now why them say, abeg sit down, choose chair, even throne dey available. At this point, the only thing wey remain be say dem go rename league, give say Saudi Pro League powered by Cristiano Ronaldo, others dey manage. This no be football again, this one na football phenomenon. Cristiano Ronaldo, the greatest of all time. Wetin be your take about my take? Drop am in the comment section. Paris Saint-Germain play like motor wey no get tire today oh. This team play as if na from Ajegule Academy all of their players been graduate from.
This man!
Auxerre we been pack bus like Lagos traffic, come later collect after traffic break oh. This na game where everybody been expect say PSG go beat Auxerre woto but PSG come pour everybody poto oh. Bakola na im give PSG mouth today like amebo. If not, they for don dey the same point with lens wey no get lens.